Therefore, the money about Melodies TV. So, hey, and that you see a person now in some way, I say serious. Kennedy Japan, was a Wabekasa, was say, or so for Bedu could be there. Wabet Shen and Yan Sapana, so for Bedu could be 1 5 years. It's here for some saying, say earlier on, made the brewer in Sembia Kennedy Japan, a kind of wild allegations against Osofo Beduko be said, Osofo Beduko be with Kunkum and Crawford. Just in Zembe Brea, you issue disclaimer saying to me, entry your home and free. Sorry, you're changing your home free home because we can't attest to the fact that Asema Kennedy Japan, they are to Jana, a yanekre, and I said yanekre. Now, answer why Kennedy Japan, as answer Eddie Biom Akahon. Nini name no wakotena na two the seat so with a year justice Kwekwanan. What the more info about na it's here for this time around. Or say Beduko bi our friend who suffer no. Some hotel bi was Sakumono now obo hotel esanso ebo guest house was Sakumono ho. Say was it woko a year hotels and a guest house was Sakumono a what dear. Prophet Beduko bi wajini dinya ene din ketwa. Na one hotel to me e de na sorry members and man no ekoho na wa sheda ma na sorry ne junior pastors ne di nechi na wo mo akoho na wo mo ko ho wi a na trese wa sheda ese wo bo mpa ya bo ba no wo wi a na wa ma ne junior pastors no wo mo epia kwa abonten na afei according to Kennedy Japan na nkasa na no ne numa asem no wo se Beduko bi beyo oye wi a na wa pepa na no ase wonya hwe yen yesu say Beduko bi beyo na wo ka ne say Beduko bi say me pray as wo be fa wo ban no eno e na yesu say ne wo ka asem no now me pese ye ko ekotie asem no na ye tie wi a me de ye guest house there no so ebeka ho me wi a na me de more on this particular matter abrel yen go tie mbra
their friend Chesterfield Hotel.
Chesterfield.
Yeah, Chesterfield Hotel. Sakumono. He had a permanent room there. Na muntie ni oye. Otumi fa na asofu mienu ode oba no kohye dem ho a. Na wafa asofu mienu miensa aka no. So, maami we yare wo sa hotel we. Yenko bom paye man. Omkwa no mu bom paye no a. Omhwe so omumpie na mene no enkasa.
Wow.
Ye maami no ho adwuma.
Jesus.
Owia no apepa na no nko. The one day and a hotel for only be catching Papa Bako, Mr. Inkum be say, Mr. Inkum, you are wasting your time. Ni pay a would dinner chi. Onye ni papa na debia what the ma ebe shesa dime.
Hey.
Tidako no mo friend say ene what the obaba tibra ne behwe.
Hotel ho.
Yes. Chesterfield Hotel.
That was Sakumono.
Yes. Na Sakumono Hotel sendie. Wakonka baby ah. Let's have another one sisia.
Now, this is the first part. Mebo the other part na enebwa. Mobetie in someone wakan about guest house na nyama we use Malcolm X and so example. Just say obetie pa na we who say yes, Kennedy Japan wakasa. Asema Kennedy Japan allege no was say Osofo Beduko bi. Just say hotel bi a friend Chesterfield Hotel. It was Sakumono. Osofo Beduko bi de wo ye eni wo permanent room bi e wo ho na de wo de ye emma anana asore mba e wo se wo bompa ye emo mo no eno na Kennedy Japan wo de atodwa na bo bi be bisa se Kennedy Japan ne ba ne sen e na so eteye eno na wo ka se wo bi a wo di Beduko bi echi ankrofo nim ne pante se wo no de wo support Beduko bi ankrofo nim no ena wo bi a wo ye adwuma e wo hotel ho wakata ne say Beduko bi a wo support ni a wo de wususu se wo ye nipa papa wo ye sofo pa no enyama bi sei e na wo ye e wo me hotel na me ye adwuma e wo no. Now this is the matter na asema Kennedy Japan kan ye two ways ebetumi aba se eye nekre ebetumi aba se enye nekre. Now se eye nekre a for courtesy's sake, the American and say from the side of the hotel for no. Woman yard na meka two sides in Yabedu could be any hotel. Say that is if a yanekre. Meka say for courtesy's sake no, the side of the hotel woman yard because hotels and it's our doctors, and it's our pharmacists anyway no. You need to operate on Adiebia a friend they have a word for it. Confidentiality. You need to operate on basis of confidentiality. So we'll be able to hotel as far as the thing is not illegal. So we'll be better hotel where any kind say woman information. Inti hotel in penny for no woman so be because I am a cry. Now Canada Japan has revealed. Say ni say me call hotel no Beduko be call hotel or say ni say ni see it's Beduko can take the hotel on if indeed it is true. If indeed it is true say Otaiko hotel ho. Now yambra Beduko be there so. Say some Canada Japan e can a cry. Not just say Beduko be so for now wo ye no. Ebia won nya so for to say Canada Japan be say yeti ase no. Muntie me ye me say ne kre. Say what the female members ekọ re omo ewie a na tre say Beduko bi sebe onya ade because say wo ye sofo pa obeye bibi say de entwa ye. Now let's continue the statement Kennedy Japan what they etuja on this particular matter. Na etiefo the person mu yi mo asum obetie nsemende
enti Hona oni omu koda na ofre Mr. Nkum se omra na oni oba ho omehwe ti oba ye no a ohunu se say na Bedu Kobi eyen ami mawo Elijah Muhammad ni Malcolm X
episode
the same thing.
Wow.
Malcolm X was in prison. And now Elijah Muhammad no converted no e de be Muslim. Now obaye no obeye strong advocate of Malcolm Elijah Muhammad. In no time obeye ni panyini. Enti emra na Elijah Muhammad no ne ema no de da wasori no musan ne. Enti dako eno ba ko beka kire Malcolm X say Osrena oni Elijah Muhammad enkasa na onhwe ne ba na wawo no ema no no se ne babe no so mini no wo ba but on pese obehwe ayi ne to oni ne ko no ko hu se ampa oni ne wo ba. Then he went and confronted Elijah Muhammad.
Wow.
So when Elijah Muhammad was trying to convince Malcolm X, what he said was that if it were yesterday, I would have believed you. But today, no. That is Mr. Nkum for you.
Oh.
Was it, if it were yesterday, I would have believed you. But today, no. Bedu Kobi, the Marco Chesterfield Hotel, permanent room.
Oh, just we secure Diane Kasa.
Now come any abongale for Yampoji permanent room. Man of God. So-called man of God. Chesterfield Hotel.
What?
Yes. Ni sofu no a oje ne yire no so no. Ode ne kotu DB Lodge Guest House. 1 year.
DB Lodge Guest House.
1.5 years na papa no eka se ne yire ne mba. Aba Ghana nti obesere omu a Bedu Kobi se na obeden. So 23rd December 2017 Ena obedru Ghana. Bedru Ghana no trovne oba no ni na na biem. Omoko kan sam no na oba no ebu kotodwe ewo Bedu Kobi anim se onyi ono no emfiri ni kunu no ensem.
Ken no hono chirem yie kakraman.
Se obema de no onim hwe oye ne sofu a wode na kọ Warri Delta
Nigeria.
We su mame sanka bi nchiro. In the Bible, David also did the same thing.
Yeah. Uriah.
okofa urea eyire o dware na ohun se ade ya kono na wo foolish me soldier kitwa na ona udade we ho kama mfa no koto war front no wongu ono ne Solomon mami on the first one wi na odi ebewu Solomon enti odi open yire no nti odi ne koto wori ho
so onko bia sorry ho
yeah asori no wansi hoda ma oni ne yire ne mba nyina ne koi 2015 2016 nti o mo ba Ghana say ne baba ko kidney problem ti no on ba Ghana no na bedu kobi de o mkotena DB Lodge guest house hono koye no ho adwuma
wow
enti papa ne bedu kroma 23 December 2017 no oba no se one no entena biem na bedu kobi anyini mfiri ni nsam onwa no na okọ high dan e ma maame no enne wo mu dan so ye time no so nkra onim ba bi ade ma no wo bedu kobi Benedict Adua odi ano no
Benedict Adua
yeah Benedict Adua bedu kobi odi ano no how many times ena wo yiri ene na ko wo ho wo so wo secretary stroke what bedu kobi
oh cheze na say the okay bedu kobi ni yiri ankasa asabi wo wa no
yes
oni sa Benedict Adua
Benedict
hey but that's
Benedict Adua
yeah
bedu kobi when secretary stroke what we hear how many times and one wa ko Benedict
wow
tell Ghanaians because Wednesday there we know waka asam no bantino me rush Wednesday there dito last one na se nyankopon entimi entua bedu kobi ka na nyame ayesom no oni ho oni pa bunsam bia no onyina katua and now feel say wo power one say wo power ebe wie hwe oba bia President Mahama e man big post nikunu e deacon ewo wasori mu oni ne yire koda wo Dubai one room
hey
bedu kobi nipa no kwoto so pe e no no so ejai asori
oh so you bet me I can say nipa no a politician kind of
no NDC address no high post I hold her name first
okay